Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change Instagram password. So let's get started. First open Instagram app on your mobile. Now tap on profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Tap on three horizontal lines located at the top right side. Now tap settings. On the next screen, tap on security. Now tap password. Here enter your old password, new password and re-enter the new password. Once done, tap save at the top and a new password is set. Next time when you try to log into Instagram, make sure to use the new password. So that is how you can change Instagram password. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.